Are you looking for info about Manassas fencing contractors? You're in the right place. Whether you need a sturdy wood fence for privacy or a decorative design for curb appeal, choosing the right contractor is key. One major mistake people make is not researching the contractor's reputation. It's vital to read reviews and ask for references. A reliable contractor, like Manassas Perimeter Pros Fencing, will be happy to share their past projects. Another mistake? Not setting a clear budget. Define your budget up front and remember to include potential maintenance costs. This clarity prevents unpleasant surprises down the line. Mistake number 3 is not reading contracts carefully. Always ensure the terms are clearly outlined, including materials, timelines, and costs. This helps in preventing disputes later. Exploring local fencing trends helps you make informed choices. Unique styles in Manassas often create a cohesive neighborhood look, increasing aesthetic value. Let's start with frequently asked questions. One common query is about essential fencing materials. People want to know which options are durable and cost-effective. Manassas Perimeter Pros Fencing representative will work with you and share insight to help you in making the proper decisions on cost and materials. Wrap up your search for the ideal fencing contractor. Call us at 703-420-3611 for a free quote for your fencing needs, or visit perimeterpros fencingmanassas.com to learn more.